I escaped to the mountains to grieve in solitude, but the peace didn't last. Fog began creeping in nightly, growing thicker until it swallowed the world. Strange sounds, footsteps, whispers, echoed in the stillness. The birds fell silent, and the lake turned unnaturally still. Something unseen was watching, closing in. I tried leaving, but couldn't. The fog felt alive, pressing against the cabin, trapping me. One night, I saw it. A figure, tall and human-like, standing in the fog, unmoving, watching. It wasn't a trick of the light. It had always been there, waiting.